Today we're going to be making raspberry oat bars, which is basically like a raspberry crisp that you would bake in the oven, but in bar form. You could certainly top these with vanilla ice cream if you wanted to, but you can also eat them on their own, totally plain. It involves a crust that's made out of quick cooking oats and all-purpose flour mixed with butter, and then you top it with raspberry preserves. So it doesn't have to just be a fresh berry dessert. You could certainly use any jarred raspberry preserve that you like, and these can be made year-round. They are delicious, and I'm going to show you how to get started.
Combine all-purpose flour with some softened butter, quick cooking oats, brown sugar, white granulated sugar, baking soda, kosher salt, and a little vanilla. Stir to combine, and then you're going to take half a cup of this topping and reserve it and set aside to sprinkle on after the initial bake. Make sure to use a piece of parchment in the bottom of your 9x13 dish so that you can pull the bars out once they're done cooking. Spread the mixture in the bottom of the pan with your hands until it's evenly spread. After the first 10 minutes, allow it to cool for 10. Then spread your jam preserves and the rest of that topping on top. Bake for an additional 15 minutes until it looks bubbly like this. You're going to let this cool for an hour until you slice.